Yo boys, today is my first day back live trading in a minute. You're gonna see me trade New York session, Nasdaq and US 30, trading breakouts live in front of like nearly 200 heads. So without further ado, let's get into the fucking video. If you do want to join and trade with me live, I am now trading live for the next 30 trading days every single day. Links in the description. Anyway, I'm gonna mark up because market opens in a minute. So resistance, support, just like so. We've already wicked out this bottom level here, as you can see. This is the type of shit I always pay attention to, like recent candles. US 30 on the right. Wash. See how price reacts. Pull. US 30 is moving pretty rapid. US 30. US 30 is gone. In all fairness. Nasdaq on the left. Right, Nasdaq's breaking. You could get an either of these right now, but I'm gonna wait for Nasdaq. Right, I'm short on Nasdaq.
Order filled.
Okay, boom. That's pushing. I'm in Nasdaq, as you can see. Some volume there. US 30's left a nice wick out if you was to get on buys, something like that. Probably a 35-point stop loss. Moving faster there, can't lie. But yeah. First live back. Like I say, I'm on a top step today. Live funds will be tomorrow, but I'm just chilling today. Probably go for a 1 to 2 if this. But right, that's 1 to 2, and I'm gonna close out position. Right.
Order filled.
Boom, 1 to 2 closed out. Hold on, this US 30 position might pop up as well. YM's
Order
nice.
filled.
I'm in on YM as well. Yeah, so obviously a lot of my videos recently you've seen me trading at 1 to 3s. Now, just me going through my footage and going through my videos, I have seen there's been a lot of opportunities where I could have taken out of my positions simply just at 1 to 2s or 1 to 2.5s, especially when there's been strong liquidity. So now what I've done, there we go. Right.
Order
There we
filled.
go. I've made my profit on this account for today. Pass this account tomorrow now. So simple as fuck. Simply put, obviously in my videos you see me going for 1 to 3s. Now if we waited out for a 1 to 3, we'd still be sat in this position. Now I'm not going to say that it's not going to hit it, but I found a lot of times I've been missing. Just casually winning, yeah, fully. I've been, seeing that a lot of the times I've watched my videos back, I could have taken a 1 to 2, 1 to 2.5 because of liquidity. Now when there is strong areas, I should definitely be taken out and be a little bit more discretional rather than super fixed at a 1 to 3. Now, even though this is likely just going to come down and hit the 1 to 3 either way, I'm okay with getting out a little bit earlier. So from going forward, it's a shame I couldn't take that on my fucking live account because that was a fucking solid trade there. My take profit zone now is basically between 1 to 2 and 1 to 3. And if there's strong pivotal points within the 1 to 2 and 1 to 3, that's where I'm now going to be getting out, especially if I see hesitation. So as soon as I saw a pullback and a bounce back off of these levels, boom, I was out. So I hit a 1 to 2 on Nasdaq, and then I got a 1 to 1.5 on YM. Just for the proof there, this account literally was just bought. I was a little bit shy on the profit, needed 1,500, but I can make 1,650 tomorrow. It should be all right. Ain't too much to worry about. But yeah, man, fucking come on. My girlfriend thinks I'm gay waiting for your videos eagerly on YouTube. I love them. That's fucking class, bro. That's so funny. Going forward, I will be trading on my live account. We'll be tracking everything in the trade tracker with you guys. So I'll do it right now this second. So London session this morning, took no trades. So basically you're watching my YouTube videos, but live, innit? So we took, what did we just take? Nasdaq, breakout, direction, short. But I'll screenshot every trade I take and I'll put it in this Google Doc here, which we'll set up right now as we speak. So new folder, live trading room folder. I put all of these screenshots to every single trade that we take every single day into a document. Brother, there's no one doing it like this. So let me explain what I'm going to be doing every day, right? So as you can see, this is my system. Trade breakouts. I use a 25-point stop loss for Nasdaq and I use a 35-point stop loss for US 30 today. I'll literally do that every single day. It won't change. Mechanical, statistical edge. That's how I trade, right? Now, I'll be looking for areas around my 1 to 2 and around my 1 to 3. If I see a pivotal point, i.e. today, how you can see, if I get this tool. So i.e. today, you can see 1, 2. See how this is a strong pivotal point, right? So we broke out and we're coming down to this level. We broke past this level here. I don't care about this. If price wants to come down here and reverse, I'm not going to go break even at this level. I'm only going to go break even past a 1-to-1, between a 1-to-1 and a 1-to-1.5. Now, when it's going to be looking for my take profit, if these areas are within my take profit box, as you can see here, this green box here, boom, I'm out. So today I didn't wait for the full 1-to-3, even though, yeah, we've fucking hit it. I'm waiting simply areas within my take profit box to pull profit, basically. As soon as I saw a pullback, right, I was out. I was done. Took my 1-to-2, bosh. If it had pushed through flush, I'd have held out for the 1-to-3. Now that's discretional. That's trading a little bit, like using intuition and paying attention to candle body behavior. But just to give you the heads up, that's how we're moving. Boom. So every day you man are going to be able to see the result, right? No rules broken, winning day, 2R. You get me? Blah, 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 blah. So there it is, boys. If you do want to join me live trading tomorrow, jump in. It is completely free. I'm doing 30 days to start off with, just to get the motion going again. And if you do want to use the same broker as me, I have 4K in my balance. I will be starting using that tomorrow. Trade lock was down today. I'll be building that account up. Bosh, gonna be doing it all live. So feel free to join, boys.